like they got a spring in them?
Still have you.
Yep, I'm still good.
I'm gonna lose you here pretty soon, but I don't think it's his radio. I think it's your wiring.
Still very strong.
Still coming through pretty clear.
Alright, I can still hear you.
Yeah, you're great. You're coming through awesome.
I can still hear you. Maybe whoever was saying his radio wasn't working, maybe it was their radio, not his.
Says you sound like you're real far away. I was running right next to him. Well, that's the only guy I ever talked to besides.
Alright, I can't hear you now.
How about now?
Yep, now I got you.
You're up the stop sign.
Yeah, you're still coming through loud and clear. What's that power mic on?
I got it set at 4.
Yeah, you're still fine.
I can still hear you, so I don't think his radio is anything wrong with it. Vehicle, that's about the distance you're going to get today.
We're down here, but in the road to the park. What's he sound like now?
Can you still hear me?
I can still hear you. You're faint, but I can hear you.
Oh, let me turn the mic gain up. That's better. Is that better?
He just turned the mic gain up. How's that?
Yeah, I can still hear you. Even when the mic gain was down, I can hear you.
How about now?
You might be starting to fizzle out now.
You're fading in and out now, but I can still hear you.
I think it's better now.
Any better?
No.
Well, we might have got him.
Well, still, running together, that's good enough. We'll play when I'm going down then. No ride bad, does it?
No, it rides a lot better than mine, I'll tell you that.
Greg Hoffman called me from out in Springfield, Missouri. Two of my friends out there said, "Where's Nagy? Did he come back?" They're got over 600. So that's not bad for them.
No, that's not bad. We had 900 in McCungy last year.
They were worried about that because they charge you $100 to go to their show. McCungy charges you $10.
Yeah. These pipes are good. These are 5s, aren't they? I got a set of 5s now.
5s are all you need. They're too expensive, the others. I want them to change tires for me. I want to paint the rims again. Well, it's just, I got two guys' trucks apart here. I got to put the cap over in it. Some plastics. All are pretty bad now. See if you can get over here. Pretty good. I said, oh, this can't be good. The other one, people said it was too noisy.
Yeah.
The straight pipes, window down.
Yeah, I'm sure if I hit that, then my back wheels would have came off the ground.
These do too. Job will tell you. You got sometimes 2 foot underneath. I'm used to I drove freight haulers trucks all my life. This truck works just like it did when I got it 17 years ago. No different. Pressure's good. Oil pressure's the same. You can't take your switch off.
This guy's got quite the collection here.
It's tough tugger. He'll be down up the country with us. He's an old truck guy. Buff guy. One in front of that over there, really rough. I got all over that one. You're worn out like my truck. That's what's happening. nothing else. There wasn't no hoods.
No.
The trucks had to be short, you know. Usually they're running over. If I pull the motor down, freight line went down.
Oh yeah, yep. Smokes good. I hope mine smokes a little bit.
I just put fuel filter in today. They checked the air, the tires, checked everything out. I gotta get home. Just wash the truck, Did you hear this coming up the hill?
Oh yeah, when you come up this way and I'm standing outside, I know right away it's you. That's why when you came around the corner last time, I was already waiting because I heard you coming up. I was like, oh, there comes Bill.
I didn't know you wanted me to come. I always come back this way anyways. This is a nice smooth road.
Yeah.
I almost went past there. I gotta go check your truck out quick. Where's your buddy gonna wait for the train guy? Your buddy with the trains?